my goodness. What? Open.
What is it?
Dinosaurs.
Where?
You don't see all these dinosaurs? Wait, come on. Wait, watch out.
What is it?
Don't step in the fire. We're cavemen. And we need this fire because there's no electricity and it's cold out here, okay?
Watch out! Watch
Whoa,
out!
oh my goodness, a T-Rex, that's a Get your stuff. Get it. We gotta find someplace safe.
What?
We need a cave.
A cave?
We gotta find a cave, come on.